Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve invoicing with QuickBooks, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening QuickBooks on your computer. Log in to your QuickBooks account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Sales tab found in the left-hand menu. Click on Invoices from the drop-down menu. To create a new invoice, click on the New Invoice button. Select the customer you wish to invoice from the Customer drop-down list. Fill in the invoice date and the due date for payment. Add line items to the invoice by entering the product or service description. Specify the quantity and the rate for each line item. QuickBooks will automatically calculate the total amount for you. If necessary, apply any discounts or additional charges. You can also add a memo or message that will be visible to the customer. Once you have reviewed all the details, click on Save and Send if you wish to email the invoice directly. Alternatively, click Save and Close if you want to send it later. To track your sent invoices, return to the Invoices section. Here you'll find all your invoices listed, along with their status. For any unpaid invoices, you can send reminders by clicking on the Remind option. If you need to edit an invoice, simply click on it from the list and make the necessary changes. To improve invoicing efficiency, consider using recurring invoices for repeat customers. Set reminders for yourself to follow up on unpaid invoices. Regularly review your invoice reports to identify patterns in payments. Using these features will streamline your invoicing process and improve cash flow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.